this lesson will be on graphs. Okay? So, number 3, the given polynomial is y equals x to the 4th power minus 3x squared minus 3. Okay? So, the leading term is yung naunang term, negative 3, x to the 4th. Ayan. So, x to the 4th, what is the leading coefficient? 1. What is the degree? 4. Ayan. So, sana lahat nakakasunod, no? Okay. So, let's proceed now to the next stage. May number 4 pa. Let's answer. Y equals negative 3x squared minus 6x plus 4. Okay. What is the leading term? Negative 3x squared. What is the leading coefficient? Of course, negative 3. And what is the degree? The degree is 2. And the last item, y equals x cubed plus 4. Okay? What is the leading term? Dahil nag-isa lang yung may exponent, syempre siya na x cubed. What is the leading coefficient? 1. What is the degree? 3. Ayan. Now, let's proceed to the leading coefficient test. What is the purpose of defining the leading coefficient test? The leading coefficient test plays a very big role in describing the graph of a given polynomial function. Okay? So, magpa-flash na po sa screen. Sabi niya, this is used to determine the end behavior. So, what do we mean by end behavior? It is the rise or fall. Or parehong rise o kaya parehong fall. Ano kaya sinasabi ni Ma'am Agnes na ano yung rise and fall? Okay? You will learn later. Okay? So, papakita na natin yung different cases. There are 4 cases when we are describing the graph, especially the behavior of the graph of a polynomial function. Case 1. Pa-flash sa screen. If n is odd, okay, so if n is odd, sabihin 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so forth and so on. And the leading coefficient is greater than 0. I repeat, if n is odd, if the degree is odd, and the leading term, the leading coefficient is greater than 0, the end behavior of the graph is, sabi niya, magpa-flash sa screen, the graph falls to the left but rises to the right. Okay? So, kapag ang degree ay 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and also positive dahil greater than 0, pag positive ang leading coefficient ng leading term, ibig sabihin, may rise and fall siya. Ang graph niya, the graph will be may rise and fall. Okay? Okay. Pataas, tapos medyo pababa. Yan. Okay. So, maraming pag ganun-ganun si Ma'am Agnes ngayon. Yan. So, the graph of the polynomial function is, it will fall to the left. Okay. Saan ang left? Ganon. Ay, right nyo nakikita. Pag ganito, kapag left, magfo-fall siya. Okay? Pag ganon yung direction ng arrow. Pag ganon. Okay? Yung sa left. And then, magra-rise siya pagpunta niya sa right. Okay? Nag-fall siya sa left, pero pataas siya sa right. Okay? So, yun yung case 1. Case 2. Magpa-flash sa screen. If n is odd, if the degree is odd, and the leading coefficient is less than 0, meaning negative. Okay? If the leading coefficient is negative and the degree is odd, okay, the end behavior of the polynomial function, it rises to the left but falls to the right. Okay, so nagkabaliktad lang yung rise and fall natin yung kanina. Okay? So kapag ang degree ay add pa din 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so forth and so on. And the leading term is negative. The leading coefficient is negative. Then the graph rises to the left but falls to the right. Okay? So, baliktad siya ng una. Next case. Case number 3. If n is even. Okay, binabasa ko lang po ha. Nasa page 5 tayo ng module 1B. Okay. If the degree is even and the leading coefficient is greater than 0. Okay? The end behavior of the graph, it rises to both left and right. So, kapag makakakita kayo ng